In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in QuickBooks, focusing specifically on the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet. These reports are crucial for understanding the financial health of your business, and using QuickBooks makes this process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Reports section. You can find this option on the left panel of your QuickBooks interface. Once you're there, you'll notice a tab labeled Standard Reports. Go ahead and click on that. This area is your gateway to a whole host of different financial reports, all tailored to provide insights into various aspects of your business operations. Now, if you're wondering how to find the exact report you need, QuickBooks makes it easy by offering a search function. You can either type in the name of the report you're looking for, like profit and loss or balance sheet, or if you prefer, you can scroll through the list to see all the available options. It's highly user-friendly, so don't worry about getting lost. Once you've located the type of financial report you're interested in, click on it. QuickBooks will then take care of the rest. It processes the required data and, after a bit of loading time, will present you with a detailed report. Once your report is ready, you'll notice a variety of options available to you through the toolbar above. This is where you can tailor the report to your specific needs. One of the first things you might want to do is adjust the date range. This allows you to focus on a particular period that's relevant to your analysis. You can set it to the current month, the previous quarter, or even a custom time frame that suits the information you're seeking. Next, you'll see options to customize the columns included in the report. This flexibility ensures that the report only shows the data that matters most to you, removing any unnecessary clutter and focusing your attention where it needs to be. And there you have it. By following these simple steps in QuickBooks, you can generate insightful financial reports that are crucial for making informed business decisions. These tools empower you to have a clear picture of your financial position, enabling strategic planning and fostering strong, objective decision-making. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!